Okay, so I just wanted to make a super quick video just to show you all how I clean my super dirty makeup brushes. So I'm just kind of showing you how dirty they are. And by the time we're done, you guys should have brushes that look like this. They're super clean. To me, they look brand new again. They have the original color back and they're super soft. So to make my cleaning solution, I take 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar and a tablespoon of any dish soap that you have. I just happen to use Dawn. And I mix all that together with a cup of really hot water, and I place them into these 2 glass containers. So that one is for my face brushes and this one is for my eyeshadow brushes. So I let that soak for 20 minutes and then we're left with super dirty water. The cleaning tool that I'm using is from Real Technique, and I bought it at my BX a couple years ago, but you could probably find this at Walmart or Target, probably even Amazon if you don't want to go out. But using this tool has cut my cleaning time basically in half, so I would really recommend you get this if you have lots of brushes. So the last 2 brushes that I'm about to clean are my foundation brushes. So those ones I put a little elbow grease in when I'm cleaning it. I just wanted to show you guys how clean my brush actually got. That cleaning solution is the bomb. And then we're left with super dirty water. So even though you guys can't really tell because the video is sped up, I'm not being really rough with the brushes. I'm not like jamming it into the cleaning tool. I'm cleaning pretty gently just because you don't want to ruin your bristles. So clean with love. So these are my concealer brushes. I just prefer to clean them in the middle of my palm. I just feel like the concealer gets out cleaner and quicker that way. But I'm going to allow these brushes to sit on a towel and dry overnight, and then I will show you guys what they look like in the morning. Here we are the next morning. They're dry and ready to be used again. If you guys use this cleaning technique at home, let me know how clean your brushes are, or let me know how dirty your water was. I'll see you guys in my next video.